Today we're doing Chapter 2 Polynomials, and we're on page 98, question 4. This question is asking us to find the missing factors by synthetic division. So in A, we can see that x minus 1 is a factor. So that means that when we take the negative 1 outside of the bracket, it becomes 1, which is a root. And then we should set up our... Sorry about that. Then we'll set up our chart. So in the chart, we'll put our coefficients. So we have 2, -7, 2, and 3. Our first step in synthetic division is to always drop down the first coefficient. Then we multiply the first coefficient by the root, which is 2, and then we add that to the second coefficient. So this becomes -5. And then we repeat this step, so we would multiply -5, -5, excuse me, by 1, which is also -5, and then add these, which makes it -3. Then we would multiply this number by the root again, which is -3. When we add these together, it's 0. So we know that -1 is a factor. Then the x minus -1 is a factor. So we know that in this polynomial we've taken out an x minus 1, so we know that the degree is 1 less. So when we rewrite this polynomial, the quotient, it would be (2x² minus 5x minus 3). And now our next step is to factor it. So let's make two nice little brackets. And let's break this up. Let's say 2x and x. So in this case, we know that 2 times -3 is -6. And we're looking for two numbers that multiply to -6 and then add to -5. But keep in mind the 2 and the 3, that one of the numbers is multiplied by 2. So I can see that it would be +1 and -3. You can check this by foiling it out. So this makes, first would be 2x² minus 6x plus x minus 3. And then this implies, of course, 2 minus 5x minus 3. So we know that this is right. So then up here, we can add in our two other factors, which are these two brackets. So it's 2x plus 1